Well, that's probably the most common question at every project that comes up from every developer or building owner. It's probably the most important decision that the developer or the building owner is going to make at the time of pre-construction. What I would say is there's not a simple answer to this question. What you have to know is every building is a unique project by itself, and there are quite a few different systems, mechanical, HVAC systems, that you can pick and choose for every project. But because that's a unique project, you can't just simply answer that question. There's going to be many different variables that has to be discussed and analyzed, and by speaking with a professional design, build, contracting and engineering firm, you can easily get an answer to that question. There are 8 variables they all have to be analyzed at the time of pre-construction in order to make that decision, and you're going to be basically discussing that with your engineer or professional design build contractor with experience in your application. If I was going to summarize that, the key points, the key factors, I would say capital cost, cost of energy, life cycle, maintenance cost, comfort, flexibility, sustainability, and constructability. So if you have all these key factors discussed and analyzed, you should be able to come up with the right answer to your question. At BC Comfort, we are a design, build, mechanical, engineering, and contracting firm. So design build is our passion. That's something we've been doing for a long time. We continue doing for many years. We like to do that because we work with the client from the very beginning stages of the project all the way to the end, and it's our true passion. But if you have any questions about these variables, you can give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out.